Wel, dechrau ni yn 1985, clwb bechgyn y merched, mewn Neuadd yr Eglwys na gyd, gyda rhywbeth fel 20 o bechgyn. Penderfynon ni gael clwb pêl-droed fan'na hefyd, ac ar ôl hynny oedd y clwb wedi datblygu tipyn a cael ragor o chwaraewyr, ac hyd at hyn nawr mae gyda ni 20 tîm a dros 200 o chwaraewyr wedi cyfrestru eleni.
First game when I was 7, so I was about 32, 33 years ago. There's a couple of us involved with running the first team who've been here pretty much from the start.
Mae'r chwaraewyr I gyd, mae'n fel plant dros noson Nadolig, mae'n gyffroes dros ben, ond edrych ymlaen ar y gêm heddi.
We're not just a team, we're friends. We're the type of friends that we go out for a pint every Sunday. We all know each other. It's just a good click, really.
As a group of players, we just work together, drink together, and pretty much just play football together. And we play well on the pitch and on a good run in a minute.
21 games, isn't it? Unbeaten, so yeah, really enjoying it so far. But hopefully we make it 22 today.
Mewn a hir cwrt, Williams I yno, amser I reoli. Ma'n gwlffin o ddyn, y bas ar draws! A Chris Colvin Owens! Sgoriodd hat-trick yn y rownd ddiwethan efo'n cyffordd Llandudno yn rhoi pen y Darren ar y blaen. Golwr yn dod allan. O, mae Hill di hennill I hefyd. James Hill yn gry ar ergyd! A dim ond 2 funud a hanner barodd y fantes I ben y Darren. Mae Pontypridd yn gyfartal. Jones yn curo'i ddyn I mewn at Williams yn camreoli. Ond yn o'r coesiad, Owens! Mae pen y Darren yn ôl ar y blaen. A mae stori dylwydd teg y tîm o Ferthyr yn parhau. A dyna'r llwyfan ola. Mae clwb pen y Darren o'r buned haen yn rownd 8 ola Cwpan Cymru.
Tell me what it's like in that changing room now, though.
I haven't been in there dodging it. I leave them have the little blowout now. The last round was a big party, so I'd imagine it'll be the same tonight. We'll get back to Merthyr and they'll still be here when the birds are tweeting.